Hi, this is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. How do you scale your ads the most profitable way? Most people, and stay to the end, I have something free I want to give you. If you like content like this, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Share it with your friends and click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. But let's jump into it. How do you scale your Facebook and Instagram ads the most profitable? A lot of people, when they have a profitable ad, the way they scale is that they duplicate that ad. So they basically have two identical ads running, but the problem with that is that you have, of course, the same audience also, so you have audience overlap. And Facebook doesn't like that. So it's going to fluctuate between the two ads, or even more. You can duplicate it more times. And you're not going to get a good result. Usually just one will work and the other one won't at all, because Facebook won't allow that there's auction overlap in the same ad account. So what you can do is you can scale it incrementally with automated rules. I'll show you how here. I'm in my own Facebook ad account, so I'm under campaigns here, and there you go to rules. Go create new rule, and there's different options, custom rule, and here you can also reduce auction overlap, optimize ad creative, and also reduce audience fragmentation. But let's do custom rule. Just click next. You give it a name, just any name you remember, and what campaign this rule should apply to. It could apply to just one campaign, or all active campaigns, or all active ad sets, and so on. Then what you want it to do, turn off campaign, for instance, or increase daily budget. Let's do that. Increase daily budget, and here you can set a certain percentage or a certain dollar amount, or whatever currency your ad account is in. That's what it's going to be. But let's do percentage, because if you do percentage, then it increases. Let's say 3% is a good percentage to increase it daily. Then it's going to increase 3% every day. For instance, you can set it for how often it should do it. But it's going to increase incrementally then from 3% added on to the percentage the day before, and so on. So you can actually scale pretty fast like that without disrupting the Facebook algorithm too much, because when you increase the budget by a large amount, then it's going to go into the learning phase. It has to optimize again, so it's better to increase it slowly with a small percentage. And you can set a maximum daily budget cap, so it doesn't increase more than something that you set it to. You don't want it to run wild and increase more than you can afford. And here you can do it like every 12 hours, or even hourly, or once daily, or weekly, or bi-weekly. What you can do, you can say it should only increase for instance, when your cost per result is a certain amount. So when it's well profitable, of course, then is the cost per result is greater than, and then you write the amount. And you can also set up another rule, so that if your cost per result goes down, then it decreases the daily spend. So it turns up the daily spend when it's well profitable, and it turns it down automatically when it's not profitable. So that's really good to save you from unprofitable ads. And of course, the time frame here, you can do the maximum time frame, or today, base it on today's ad performance, or yesterday's ad performance, and so on, all the way until let me see, I think it goes down further. You can go down and further, but yeah, you can set the time frame for when you want Facebook to optimize it for. Do you want it to look at just today's results, or the last 30 days result, and base the optimization and the increase on that. And then you can get notifications either on Facebook or an email. And then you just fill all that out and click create. And yeah, that's how you increase your Facebook ads incrementally and make sure that they never become unprofitable. So comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Share it with your friends and click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. Yeah, the free thing I wanted to give you is have a free Facebook ad template. So if you're for coaches and consultants, so if you're running your own Facebook and Instagram ads, then you can use that to guide you on exactly how to do it. You can download it completely for free. There's a link in the description, so go ahead and download that. And also please join our free Facebook group, Facebook Advertising for Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs, link in the description. If you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in Facebook and Instagram ads for coaches and consultants. So book a call with me or my team to learn more about it. There's a link in the description. Take care, bye!